Static electricity. Hair gets attracted when you comb your dry hair with a plastic comb. The pieces of paper get attracted towards the balloon. Why does it happen? To understand why it happens, let's see how substances are formed. Electric charge. All substances are made of very tiny particles. Electric charge is an intrinsic property of these particles. Two opposite types of charges are present in equal numbers in all these substances. When the positive charge and negative charge on an object are balanced, the object is neutral. That is, there is no net charge on the object. If these charges are not balanced, the object is said to be charged. How would two charged objects interact with each other? When a glass rod rubs against a silk cloth, due to the rubbing, a glass rod will become charged. Two rods carrying similar charges push each other away. This is called repulsion. A plastic rod rub against a woolen cloth and bring it near the charged glass rod. The two rods are pulled towards each other. Rods carrying opposite types of charges get pulled towards each other. This is called attraction. Now we will learn what is the origin of an electric charge. All substances are made up of particles, and these particles are ultimately made up of very tiny atoms. Each atom contains a stationary positive charge and moving negative charges. These two charges being perfectly balanced, an atom is electrically neutral. All objects are made up of atoms, which means that they are electrically neutral. Then, how do objects become electrically charged? For some reason, the balance of electrically neutral atoms gets disturbed. For example, when certain objects are rubbed against each other, the negatively charged particles on one object go to the other object. The object to which they go becomes negatively charged due to an excess of negatively charged particles. Similarly, the object from which the negatively charged particles go away becomes positively charged due to a deficiency of negatively charged particles. It means that of the two objects being rubbed, one becomes positively charged and the other negatively charged. About 2500 years ago, a Greek scientist named Thales found the feathers are attracted towards a rod of yellow-colored amber which had been rubbed against a woolen cloth. Amber is called electron in the Greek language. Therefore, this property of amber to attract things was named electricity by Thomas Brown in 1646 AD. Frictional electricity. The electric charge generated by friction is called frictional electricity. This charge is produced only at a place of friction. Hence, it is called static electricity. It remains on the object for a short duration. The charges of static electricity are absorbed in moist air. That's why these experiments should be performed in dry weather, particularly in winter. Electrically charged objects attract uncharged objects. There is repulsion between electric charges. There is attraction between unlike electric charges. Hence, repulsion is used as a test for identifying an electrically charged object.